Okay. Now, what is the shortcut key? If you want to insert a new sheet, Shift plus F11. F11 is the shortcut key. We have one more shortcut key if you want to insert the sheet. Okay. What is the shortcut key? Alt plus Shift plus F1. We have two shortcut keys if you want to insert the new sheets. Clear? Now let's see. If you press Shift plus F11, we are getting the new sheets or not. We'll see here. Now I'm not adding the sheets by mouse. I'm not using the mouse. I'm not clicking this plus symbol. I'm not selecting this option, insert option. I'm not selecting this one. Now Shift plus F11. Now is it inserting the sheets? Now select here Shift plus F11. Shift plus F11. Is it inserting the sheets or not? Are you getting the sheets or not? See sheet 12, sheet 11, sheet 1. See now again Shift plus F11. Sheet 13, sheet 14. Is it inserting or not? So you can insert the sheets by using Shift plus F1. What is the one more shortcut key? Alt plus Shift plus F1. Now see here, Alt plus Shift plus F1 also, it is inserting the sheets. So you can use the two shortcut keys if you want to insert the sheets. Following, right?
Plus symbol మనం click చేయాలా sir? Alt plus Shift plus F1.
Don't press plus symbol, sir. Plus symbol and ante నేను ఏం చెప్తాను అంటే alt పట్టుకొని we need to press 3 keys at a time. Alt Shift F11. Don't press plus symbol. Okay now.
Okay.
Plus అంటున్నామంటే alt తో పాటు shift తో పాటు F11 ప్రెస్ చేయండి అని చెప్తున్నాను అంతే. ఓకేనా?
Okay.
Right. Okay, is it okay, Fazila? Are you understood?
Yes, sir.
Right. Now actually currently I'm in the sheet 1, right? Now earlier I entered the data in the sheet 2, right? Now I inserted so many sheets, right? But I want to go to directly sheet 2. If you observe, I have so many sheets. Now I don't know where is the sheet 2. Okay. Now I need to go manually, right? I need to go manually like this, right or not? See, this is the sheet 2, right? Now what I'm trying to say, I don't want to go to sheets like that. Okay, na? Currently I'm in the sheet 1. I want to jump to directly sheet 2. How to do that? See, if you right click between these two buttons, okay, see, are you able to see two buttons here? Just right click between the buttons, right click. Now whatever the sheets in this workbook, now you can see here what is my which sheet you want to go. I want to go to sheet 2. Select the sheet 2 and then press OK. Now directly I jump to the sheet 2, right? Clear or not? One second. Right. Now currently right now I'm in the sheet 2. Now I want to jump to sheet 18 or sheet 19 something. Okay. Now you can see two buttons here. You can see two buttons. Just right click on the middle of these buttons. Now just right click. Now I want to jump to go to sheet 19. Select the sheet 19 or sheet 1. Whatever the sheet you want to select, just select and then press OK. Now currently I'm in the sheet 1 now. Clear?
Yeah.
Is it clear? Right.
Yes.
Now let's go to the sheet 2. Let's go to sheet 2. Then select here and then press OK. Now currently, now what is the see, and one more thing. If you want to go to 1 by 1 sheet, currently I'm in the sheet 2, right? Now I want to go to sheet 8. See, if you want to go to the previous sheet, what is the shortcut key? So to go to previous sheet, Control plus page up. Control plus page up. You know page up, page down, page down keys, right, in your keyboard. If you want to go to the previous sheet, Control page up. If you want to go to the next sheet, to go to next sheet, Control page down. Clear? Control page down is the shortcut. See here. Now let's press Control page up. Now I'm not going by mouse, over mouse. I'm not selecting all these sheets. Okay. Now Control page up. Control page up. Am I going to previous sheets, right or not? I'm going to previous sheets. Sheet 9. Now currently right now in the sheet 1, Control page down. Control page down. Currently I'm in the sheet 18. Control page down. Control page down. Now whatever the sheet you want to go, so you can move from one sheet to another sheet by using Control page up and Control page down. Right. Now I inserted so many sheets, right? Now I want to delete these sheets. I want to delete this 1 by 1 sheet. Let's delete sheet 8. Now I'm selecting sheet 8. How to delete the sheet? Just right click on the sheet, delete the sheet. Now sheet 8 is deleted. Now I want to delete the sheet 9 also. Select the sheet 9. What is the other method? So if you want to delete the sheet, what is the option? So just right click, select this option. Either selecting this option also you can delete, and in the home tab you can see delete option. Under the delete you can see option called delete sheet. You can select this one also. Now currently right now in the sheet 9, now go to delete and delete sheet. Now sheet 9 is deleted, right? Deleted or not? Now what is the shortcut key to delete the sheet? Now I don't want to select manually. Okay, to delete the sheet, shortcut key is Alt comma E comma L. Now I am not telling plus, right? Earlier I said Shift plus F11, but here I am not telling Alt plus E plus L. Are you understand? Are you following me? What is the difference between this plus symbol and this comma symbol? Clear? Plus means you need to press 2 keys at a time. Plus means, okay, but comma means 1 by 1 key I need to press. First I need to press Alt. We need to release the Alt key. Next we need to press E, release the E key. Next press L. Automatically sheet will delete. Now let's delete the sheet 14. Alt E L. Now sheet 14 is deleted, right? Alt E L, Alt E. Now are you observing? Sheet 12, Alt E, sheet 12 is deleted. Alt E L. Now you can delete 1 by 1 sheet like this. Okay now. Now see what is the shortcut key to delete the sheet? Alt comma E comma L. But when you are deleting the sheets, 100% it will give the warning. See here. Now I am trying to delete the sheet 3. What is the shortcut key? Alt E L. But even deleting the sheet, it's not giving any warning. Why it's not giving any warning? Can anyone tell me? Actually, while you are deleting the sheet, it will give warning. Don't delete the sheet. If you want to delete the sheet, so like check the data, it will say something.
It's empty. It's not saved.
Very good. Excellent. Excellent. It's an empty sheet. That's what it is not giving any warning. My sheet doesn't have any data, right? Now let's enter some data. Now I am writing some data here. Now I am trying to delete the sheet. Right click and delete. Now it is giving warning, right? You can't undo deleting sheets, and you might be removing some data if you don't need it, and click delete. What it is giving warning? Who given the warning? Microsoft Excel. What it is saying? After deleting the sheet, you can't undo. Sir, by mistakenly I deleted that sheet. If I press Ctrl Z, now shall I get that sheet? No, you can't get the sheet again. Is it clear? Once delete the sheet, sheet will delete permanently. It will delete permanently from the workbook. You can't get it back. So that's what it is giving warning. Really, if you don't want this data, now click delete. It is saying that it's click delete. If you don't want this data, now click delete. Just click delete now. Even if you press Ctrl Z, now I'm trying to press Ctrl Z. Are you getting the sheet? That's what it is giving warning. Clear? Right. Now this is called sheets, and you know already I told you this. Under the sheets you can see one bar. This is called status bar. I told you, right? Already. I told you already, right? What is the purpose of status bar? When you select some numbers, now let's generate some numbers here. I want to generate some numbers. See, from 10 to 1000, I want some numbers. I don't want to enter the numbers manually. See, I got some numbers here.
I'm sorry to interrupt. Can we retrieve the deleted sheets or not possible?
No, you can't retrieve the deleted sheets. That's what it is giving warning. See, you can't retrieve back. So see, I entering some data. Let's delete this one. It's giving warning. You can't undo deleting sheets. It's saying that, right? You can't undo. It cannot retrieve back. Okay, you cannot get it back, right? Following?
Yes.
Right. When you press delete, even if you press Ctrl Z, what is the shortcut key for undo? What is the shortcut key for undo? Ctrl Z, right? What is the last action? I want to repeat the last action. Ctrl Z, right? So even if you press Ctrl Z, are you getting the sheet? No, right? Whatever the sheet is deleted, I am not getting, right? So let's go here. Now I entered some data here. Now I'm discussing about the status bar, right? Now what is this status bar? This green color bar. What is this green color bar? When you selected some cells, now I'm selecting some cells. in the selected range, what is the total value? What is the totals? What is the total sum? Or how many numbers I have selected? What is the maximum? What is the maximum rate? Sorry, what is the maximum number in this range? What is the minimum number in this range? What is the average of this range? I want to know everything. Now you can see all these things in the status bar. What is the total sum? What is the selected range sum is 7,699, right? What is the maximum value in this range? 995 is the maximum number. What is the lowest number in this range? 76 is the lowest number. How many numbers I have selected? 18 numbers I have selected. Now, what is the total average? 427.72 something. Clear? Is it showing the statistics or not? Whatever the range you have selected, that range, it will give the statistics. Okay, now. Following. Am I going speed or shall I? Please tell me. Am I going speed?
No, for me it is okay because I am aware of this concept, so this is fine. I mean, where I'm not understanding, I might ask you to repeat for me, but this is fine for me.
Yeah, okay. What
Because
about
I'm aware of this.
Yeah. What about Ramkrishna? Are you able to understand what I'm trying
Yes,
to do?
yes, sir. Yes.
Okay, right. Now, what is the next one? See, you can see some buttons here. Okay, some options here. This is the page layout button. This is the page break preview. Okay, this is the normal view, page break preview. So we have some options here. The same options you can see in the view tab also. See here, normal view, page layout view, page break preview. You can see the same options. Now it's not much important to discuss now. So now I will tell you when I coming to the view tab, I will explain all these things. Okay, na? What is the normal view? What is the page break preview? What is the page layout? When we will use these options, I will tell you everything when I'm coming to the view tab. Okay. Now after completing this one, now we can see one controller. What is this? Zoom controller. This is the zoom bar. This is the zoom bar. What is the zoom bar? If you want to increase the window size, so just if you click the plus symbol, now you can see the window size is increasing. The font size, it's not increasing the font size. If you click plus symbol, now you can see this percentage increasing, right? This percentage is increasing, right? Now currently the zoom size is 210%. What is the maximum percentage in Excel? So maximum zoom size is 400%. What is the minimum percentage? 10%. So more than 400%, you cannot zoom in, and less than 10%, you cannot zoom out. Okay, na? See, more than 400%, I can't zoom in. Less than 10%, I cannot zoom. Okay, na? Now see here, if you want to see the same thing, now go to view tab. Here also you can see zoom option. Just click the zoom. Now I'm trying to give in the custom place. I'm trying to give 500 here. 500. Now press enter. Now what is saying that the number must be between 10 and 100 only. If you want to give the zoom size, you need to give the between 10 and 400 only, right? Understood? So what is the minimum zoom size? 10. Maximum zoom size is 400. Clear? Right. This is about interface of the Excel. Now, if you open the Excel, you can see all these things. Now, today we'll discuss some more options. Right. See, now I will tell you some basic things in Excel. See, I'm entering some data. I'm entering some number. Let's enter some 65. Now, after entering the 65, I want the sequence numbers here. I want next sequence number. I want 66, 67, 68, 69, like this. Now, if I drag this number to down, shall I get the next sequence numbers?
Yes.
I'm asking now. Okay, Fazila, your name is Fazila, right?
Yes.
Yeah. Fazila is saying that if you drag the number to down, you will get the next sequence numbers, right? Okay. As you said, I am dragging to down. Let's drag down. What happened? Are you getting the next sequence numbers, Fazila? I'm getting the same number, right? But what is my requirement? I want 66 to 67. I want next sequence numbers. Then, if you want to get the next sequence numbers, hold the control key. Hold the control key in your keyboard and place the cursor here. Now drag it. Now what happened? Are you getting next sequence numbers or not? Clear? If you want to get the next sequence number, what is? Just place the cursor on your number. Hold the control key in your keyboard. Okay. Place the cursor corner of the cell and now drag to down. Now you are getting the next. Now not only downwards, you can drag upwards. You can drag leftwards. Hold the control key. you can drag rightwards also, you will get the sequence numbers, right or not? Are you getting the sequence numbers right or not? Right. Now, if we have two numbers, see, let's say 65, I'm entering 66 also. If we have two numbers, no need to hold the control key. Okay, if you have two numbers, no need to hold the control key, just to select the two numbers. Now drag to down, automatically will get the next sequence numbers. Following me? When you have the only single number, see, let's enter, I'm entering 100. Now I want the next sequence. I have only one number, right? In this cell, I have only one number. I want to get the next sequence numbers. Hold the control key and drag to down, you will get the next sequence numbers. But when you have the multiple numbers, see, 100 is there, 101 is there. So no need to hold the control key, select the two numbers, drag to down, automatically we get the next sequence. No, बिना माउस तो बोले तो क्या करना है, वो फार्मूला लिखना है. बिना माउस तो करना चाहे तो क्या करना है, से let's give 100. Now I want next sequence numbers. I don't want to drag, I don't want to write any formula. Okay, I don't want to even write the formula also. Then if you want to get the next sequence numbers, just place the cursor on the number, go to home tab, go to fill here. In the fill, you can see one option called series. You can see one option called series. Now, I want to fill the numbers in the columns, right? I mean, I want the numbers vertically, right or not? Now let's select the columns. Because I want the numbers vertically. Now let's select the column. Now, what is the step value? I want the next number is 101. I want to increase 1 only. So let's keep the 1 only. Where you want to stop? I want up to 500. Just give stop values 500 and then press OK. Now you got up to 500, right? Have you dragged the number? Without dragging also you can get the numbers, right? Yeah. Following the option, Fazilla and Ramakrishna. Are you following?
Yes. Can
you show me the step? How did you open the window again?
Yeah. See, I'm writing one number here. Let's write 201. Now I want some numbers here up to, I want 250 or 300 or 350, whatever the number. Just place the cursor on the number. Go to home tab. In the home tab, you can see one option called fill. In the fill option, you can see one option called series. Okay. Series option. Let's go home tab and fill. Let's select series. In the series, now it is asking you want the numbers horizontally or you want the numbers vertically. I want to get the numbers horizontally. When you want to get the numbers horizontally, then we need to select the columns option. Now select the columns option. Now step value. How much number you want to increase? I want to increase only one number. Now next number I want 202, right? I want to increase one number only. Now let's step value. From where up to which number you want to get the numbers? I want to get numbers up to 220 something. Now just press OK. Now I got up to 220 only, right? Clear? Following? Without dragging also, you can get the numbers. It's not an issue. You want to generate the numbers right side? No, same thing, right? Just place the cursor, go to fill and select series. Now I want to fill the data rows, right? Select the rows option then. Now I want to increase the number 1 only. Now step value is where I want to stop. Let's stop up to 220 again and then press OK. Now it's filled the data right side, right? Clear? Right. This is the options. Now, is it okay, everyone? Shall I go to the next option?
Yes, sir.
Yeah. Ramakrishna garu following.
Yes, sir.
Right.
Sir, recordings are provided, sir.
Yes, no problem. Record they will provide. Please ask to admin session. Okay, who I don't know who are talking with. You are talking with Amar, right? Amar will provide the record session. Don't worry about the session. Okay, na? Okay. They will share the record session. Right. Now when you have the two numbers, what I'm trying to say, when you have the two numbers, no need to hold the control key. Directly drag the numbers, automatically will get the numbers. That means this is called autofill. See here. Now let's write 2 and 4. Now if you drag the number, See here, what is the difference between these two numbers? 1, right? Automatically it's increased 1, 1, right? 1, 1, 1. It's increased. Now, what is the difference between these two numbers? 2. Now, if you drag 2 down, no need to hold the control key because I have the 2 numbers. If you drag 2 down, it will increase 2 numbers, right? 2, 4, 6, 8, 10. You will get right. Okay, now clear. Now let's write 1 here. Now let's write 7. Sorry, what's happened? Let's write 7. Now, if I drag 2 down, what is my next number? Anyone tell me? If I drag 2 down, what is my next number?
13, sir. I think.
14.
14. Fazila, is it 14? What is the difference between these two numbers, Fazila?
6.
So it will add the 6 next number to it will add to 6, right? 7 plus 6, 13, 13 plus 6, 19, 19 plus 6, 25, something, right?
Okay, sir.
So whatever the difference between two numbers, it will fill automatically. Clear? Now let's say now till now we dragged the numbers, right? Now let's say I have the date. Let's enter the today's date. Now I want to, if I drag 2 down, shall I get the next dates? If I drag 2 down, shall I get the next date? 11/5/2023. Is it required to enter the data manually like 11/5/2023? Otherwise, if I drag 2 down, shall I get the dates?
Yes, sir.
Yes, you will get the dates. Now, if you drag 2 down, we'll get the dates.
Control not applicable.
It's not the number, sir. It's not the number. It's a date.
Okay.
When you have the number only, we need to hold the control key.
Okay.
That too, if you have the single number. When you
Okay.
have the single number, then hold the control key.
Okay.
Clear? And not only like that, you can drag right side, you can drag left side, upwards, whatever. See, I want to get the dates like this. I want to get the dates, right side also, left side also. Okay, clear? Either side you can drag. Automatically, it will get the you can get the dates. Now let's enter. Now you can see dates. Now let's enter some month here. Now let me enter April month. Okay, April. Let's say otherwise I will write. I'm writing August month. Now if I drag 2 down, shall I get the next month names? If I drag 2 down, shall I get the next month names or not? You will get the next month names. Okay, now see if I'm trying to drag, see I'm getting the next month names, right? Now no need to enter the because Excel already it's provided. This option they already provided. It's a predefined concept. Okay, now see here if you drag 2 down, automatically we'll get the next month names. Okay, see here now not only downwards, you can drag right side, you can drag leftwards also. Clear? Now I don't want to write the entire month name. Let's write Fazilla, you're writing something on the board. Don't write anything, please. Let's disable image.
Okay, sir. Sorry.
Yeah, not issue. Let's clear the drawings. Right. Now let's write something here. Now let me write John here. Now, if I drag 2 down, shall I get the half of the spelling? Feb, March, MAR, APR. Now you will get it. See here. Let me drag this down. Let me drag 2 down. You are getting right. Clear? So here on one more thing. I am writing day name. Let's write Tuesday. Okay. Now, if I drag 2 down, shall I get the next days? Yes, you will get the next days also. Now see here, you can either side you can drag, either you can drag leftwards, you can drag rightwards. Okay. Even if in your Excel also it will work. It's not a problem. It's already predefined. Okay. Now here, now let's write half of the spelling only Friday. Now if you drag 2 down, you will get the half of the spelling right. Friday, SAT, SUN, right? Are you getting or not? Clear?
Yes.
Right. Now I am writing some name here. Let's write Rushil. Let's write Rushil. If I drag 2 down, what will happen? If I drag 2 down, what you will get?
No.
Repeated.
Which repeated? But it will repeat?
Rushil will be repeated.
Rushil will be repeated. Let's drag 2 down. What happened?
Yeah.
Rushil, is it repeated, the Rushil?
No,
No.
different names, sir.
How? I'm getting the different. Already I applied this one. Okay. I created a list here. Okay. That's what you're getting some other names. See here. Let's write Suresh. Now if we drag to down, you're getting some other names, right? Okay. How I am getting? See, I'm writing Kavya. Let's drag this name to down. You are getting some other names, right? Right, Arun?
Yes.
So see, because already I created this one. So what is the purpose this one? See, if you are entering the date, total dates manually. Now you are writing one day and you are dragging to down, right? Right, Arun? No need to enter the data manually, Saturday and Sunday, Monday, all these things, right? Even months also, right? No need to enter all the month names. Just write 1 month and if drag to down, automatically you're getting the months, right? Right or not? And let's say this is my team. These all people are my team. Okay, now I don't want to write all my team members' names. I will write one team member name. If you drag to any team member name, automatically remaining team members need to get. Okay, this option is called custom list option. Clear? This option is called custom list. Clear? First, what we need to do, if you want to create this kind of list, we need to prepare a list. Okay, na? So let's write Ramakrishna, Sangram, Fazilla. Is it correct spelling? You please let me know, Fazilla.
Yeah, Z-E-E-L-A.
E-E-L-A, Fazilla, right?
Yes, yes.
Yeah, I'm writing Fazila. Let's write some other names. Yeah, I'm writing Amma, some Kishore, some. Let's write some other names. So, okay, these names are enough. Otherwise, okay. Let's write some ABC and XYZ. I'm writing some names here. Okay. Now, see here. I prepared some list here. Now, if you
Sorry.
write. Yeah,
Sorry for interruption, sir. I have some work left, sir.
Yeah. We'll continue the session on tomorrow. Then I too also go. Actually, middle of the session, I don't want to close. So let me continue the session on tomorrow. Okay, everyone, is it okay?
Okay.
Okay, Fazila.
Sure, sir.
Yeah, we'll continue on the session on tomorrow. Thank you. We'll meet on tomorrow then. Bye.
Thank you, sir.
Yeah, bye everyone.
Bye, sir.